Hello everyone, Vera here with another update on Bitcoin daily levels. So this is our current position. At the moment on Bitcoin we have a stop loss at 4% and a take profit of 10%, 1 to 2.5 risk reward. And currently we are minus 1.25 percentage in drawdown. Now you can see that here down under my arrow I have a 4% stop loss on Bitcoin and I have a 10% take profit, 1 to 2.5 risk reward. What does this mean is that from this position, the amount that we put in, we can lose only 4% of that amount that we put, but we can win 10% of the amount that we put if it goes to our take profit. So why do I always say enter with 10% of your total capital? Because we can hold up to 10 positions, we can't lose a lot, we can win a lot only. This means that if I enter, let's say, 2 trades like this, and both of those 2 trades go to the stop loss, minus 4 means minus 8. If only one trade, then after 2 trades, if I get only one right, that means that I'm going to win 10%. So 10% minus 8% that I lost, that means we are plus 2% in profit. For that reason, in the long term, this is a great strategy because you only need from 3 trades, 1 to get it right, and you will be still in profit. Now, what is the difference between entering here inside this zone and entering here when everybody was trying to get this move to the upside? Everyone that entered here, they are minus 4% around there, minus 4.5%. And this is how the money is made. You need to enter as down as possible in order to catch the move to the upside and to sell on the top. Because if you enter on the top, that you can be a lot in the drawdown until the crypto that you have selected goes on your profit. What should we do when we are inside a situation like this? So we have a stop loss, we have a take profit, we have a strategy, we have a plan. We need to follow it. In the long term, we know that it's going to be successful. You can't be mad if only one day BTC doesn't perform, because as I always say, no one is 100% right, but we go as more to check on the coins to perform better as possible. We had a lot of altcoins yesterday that we closed because BTC dropped here and I didn't want to risk any more from our profits that we had. So we closed around, for sure, plus 20%. And even if this one goes to minus 4, that won't be a big deal because we still are in profit from the trades that we closed yesterday. Now what I'm expecting from Bitcoin is we have this support area that BTC is struggling to break to the downside. What does this mean is that the sellers pushed really hard. This was an amazing push from the sellers to the downside and struggled to break to this sniper zone. It came a little bit on top here and I was looking at this zone if we are going to break to the upside. If we would have been breaking this zone, I knew that we are going to continue for Bitcoin to 71K. But that didn't happen because the sellers were still strong to push a little bit more. Now, in 4-hour time frames, we can see that BTC yesterday had a big push followed by another a medium candle, let's say. And it stopped right here inside this support level on the 4 hours. Now what I'm looking for BTC is today to continue to the upside since it didn't break this support level with the altcoins that we have running. Now can BTC dump and go to this zone here and to take our stop loss minus 4%? Yes, it can. Can BTC continue to the upside? Yes, it can. We all need to wait and to see how it reacts inside this zone here. If it's going to break to the downside or it's going to continue and push to the upside. if it continues to push to the upside, we will see every altcoin here in the market turning green. That means that we will have a lot of profit from the altcoins, even more than we will have profit from Bitcoin. Daily time frames on BTC are not looking good at the moment. If this daily candle doesn't continue to push to the upside, then we will have some serious problem with Bitcoin. But that doesn't mean that we are not going to take actions to lower our risk, because I will continue to update. But what I can see from here, we have this support area inside these levels. This is the support area that I'm looking. This is a support area that BTC will probably have a big time, will have a lot of struggle to break to the downside. For that reason, I put my stop loss here at 62.266, because BTC can continue, but also in the weekly, we are seeing that Bitcoin was super green until up here at 67, then it continues to the downside. And I think that this is just a manipulation from Bitcoin to take some stop orders on the futures, the ones that use futures, leverage their account, and then to continue to the upside. Because we had this wick candle that pushed super hard, and now this needs to come back for a retest like it's doing right now, and then to continue for a big green push. We still need to monitor and wait how this zone goes and how market reacts to this one. But for more, I will also do updates, because we are going to wait how this 4-hour candle goes. I will check also if we have any kind of news that can get the market more volume. But for now, what I can see is that this support zone is holding quite good, and then we might see BTC struggling here, trying to break. It can come all the way down here and then continue. So let's see how BTC reacts. I will continue to update. Make sure that you don't use the leverage, you use only the spot market in order to have the same risk management as we do. So thanks a lot, and if you need something, do not hesitate, write to me. Wait for the another update on Bitcoin, because I will check how this 4-hour candle will go.